Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1994 ECE paper. This question is related to analog circuits. This is a match the following question, and there are one side it has given the type of oscillators, the other side is given as whether they are low frequency oscillator, high frequency, or what are the characteristic. So one thing we must remember, whenever we are going for the oscillators are going to be of three types based on the components are going to be used. So they can be treated as RC oscillator or LC oscillator or crystal oscillator. RC oscillator is nothing but, we know oscillator is going to be an amplifier with positive feedback. So oscillator is nothing but simply an amplifier with positive feedback. So the beta network is going to be consisting of R and C elements in case of RC oscillator, and the beta network is going to be consisting of L and C elements in case of LC oscillators, and in case of crystal oscillator it will be a crystal mainly used to get the oscillations. So there are two different types of RC oscillators are there. One is Wien bridge oscillator the other is RC phase shift oscillator. RC phase shift oscillator. In case of LC oscillators there are three different types. One is Hartley oscillator, the second one is Colpitts oscillator, and third one is Clapes oscillator. Okay, so these three are going to be LC oscillators, these two are RC oscillators, and it is crystal oscillator directly, which uses piezoelectric crystal. And for RC oscillators the frequency is going to be calculated by using this equation 1 by 2 pi RC, and for frequency equation for this one is 1 by 2 pi root LC. So from these two equations we can say R is going to be in terms of generally kilo ohms, and capacitance is going to be in terms of microfarad, inductance is in the range of millihenries. Milli is nothing but 10 power minus 3, kilo is 10 power plus 3, micro is 10 power minus 6. So frequency is going to be, you are getting it is low compared to the frequency of LC oscillators. Frequency of RC oscillator is low compared to frequency of LC oscillator, because L is in the range of 10 power minus 3 and C is in the range of 10 power minus 6. So even though it is square root, you will get a very large frequency at out. But here F is equal to 1 by 2 pi RC, R is 10 power plus 3 whereas C is 10 power minus 6. So the range is going to be low. So RC oscillators are always used for the low frequency oscillations for low frequencies, whereas LC oscillators are used for the high frequencies. And crystal oscillator specialty is nothing but it is very accurate. The frequency generated is very accurate, that is nothing but very much stable. So the output frequency of the crystal oscillator is highly stable compared to other oscillators. These are the important characteristics you must remember. With the help of this one you can easily get the answer for this question. Hartley oscillator. Hartley oscillator is LC oscillator. So this is LC oscillator, so it is considered as high frequency oscillator. So the answer for this one is 2. Wien bridge oscillator is nothing but RC oscillator, and it is used as low frequency oscillator. So the answer for this one is 1. Crystal oscillator is stable oscillator, stable frequency oscillator. So the relaxation frequency oscillator, negative resistance oscillator, it's not used. So the answer for this question is A is mapped with 2, B is mapped with 1, C is mapped with 3. Thank you.